Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you have not done so already, definitely take a moment, subscribe to the channel to become part of our home decor family. Also take a look at some of our previous videos. You guys, we have videos on so many different themes and topics, but in today's video, let's talk about modern Southwest. So as always, before we get all the way into the video, please take a moment to head on over to Facebook and join our group, And Then There Was Style. Also, we are on TikTok and Pinterest, both at And Then There Was Style. Now, let's get into the video. So if you've been noticing and loving a ton of Southwestern design and decor on your Instagram and Pinterest feeds here lately, you are not alone, my friend. In fact, modern Southwest interior design is one of my favorite trendy styles of the moment. Modern Southwest design features a mix of mid-century and rustic elements combined in a way that really recalls the desert Southwest. It's a close cousin of modern rustic interior design and desert minimal design, the difference being that modern Southwest puts more of an emphasis on desert and Southwestern motifs than modern rustic does, and of course is more eclectic than desert minimal design. In fact, this look is very rooted in the idea of being a literal world traveler with a home that features collected objects from around the world. In terms of color palettes, modern Southwest features really earthy palettes and saturated tones. So think brick red, olive green, terracotta, and blues, as well as natural materials and really heavy leathers and more of a cognac, that really dark brown tone. You'll also see a lot of deep dark woods in this style, but it's not all earthy natural elements. There's also this high contrast element that brings in the modern side of this style. So many modern Southwest rooms feature bright white walls and black accents in the furniture and decor. It really brings in that modern look that we're so used to seeing there. Southwestern living is embodied in this warm and youthful style, with rooms that feel inviting but lived in. Global-inspired, geometric, and Southwestern patterns add a really playful air to this style. You'll see these patterns a lot in textiles and accent decor like vases and rugs. Shibari patterns are really big in Southwestern decorating, as is jute, Moroccan styles, kilim, shag, and really over-dyed rugs. And while these are popular motifs right now, this is a style that won't feel tired or really overdone in a few years. Of course, if you want to implement this really chic style in your home, there are so many different options. This video is full of them, but a couple of helpful tips for you. First off, it all starts with your rug, and there are so many different types of rugs to choose from. You can start with a solid color. You can start with a rug that has a Southwestern motif, one that gives you a little bit of native or tribal feel. I mean, the options are endless, as are the different stores that you can actually get them at. Places like Amazon, West End, Joss & Main, so many online options. Now, if you are like me, sometimes you want to see that rug in person. So check out some of your various local furniture stores to see what they have as far as options in the form of modern Southwestern. In Southwest modern homes, you'll generally find plain furniture topped with accessories or inspired by nature pieces, like a natural cut wood coffee table. White or cream sofas topped with lots of textured and patterned pillows are, of course, a really safe staple for you. Unique leather armchairs and dining are always a good idea. Consider a leather sectional for your living room, but try to avoid painted wood and instead opt for a natural stain. Rattan and cane can be used, but just sparingly. This style has a lot of eclectic influences. Try using mismatched chairs at a dining table. Find pieces from all over the world that really spark your interest. And of course, since this style is so eclectic, the thrift stores and consignment stores are going to be some of your best friends if you like this style. The color of your headboard does not have to match the color of your dresser. Mismatching items will add interest to your home, gives your home a little bit of character. Find items that you love and use them. And since this style is heavily inspired by nature, organically shaped furniture is definitely encouraged. Smooth corners and round cushions will add to the Wild West ambiance and give the room an authentic Southern feel. A second tip to help you acquire the modern Southwest home that you desire is accessories. So texture, and texture. Texture is key to making a Southwest home feel really genuine. Throw pillows with tassels and beading and weaving or any other fun texture is a great way to spice up a really simple plain sofa. Leather is a great material to add to the quote-unquote Wild West style. Try hanging riverwood on the walls or ceiling. Picking and placing a wildflower bouquet is a beautiful way to incorporate color. Terracotta, both in color and material, play a huge role in Southwest design. Indoor plants are an easy way to add color and life to a room. Cactus, succulents, and any other dry type plants are great choices for a Southwest modern room. Try putting your plants in clay or concrete pots. Photographs and paintings are both great for wall art. A mixture of both is probably best. Photos of horses, native flora, and southern sunsets are absolutely perfect. Look for paintings with intense texture, real or implied, and really rich color. So when I saw this room, I absolutely fell in love. There's so many different styles merged together. A little bit of desert, a little bit modern, a little bit transitional, even some rustic and Southwest. I really love this room. Alrighty friends, so as we are nearing the end of this video, please do me a favor and comment down below your favorite modern Southwest or modern desert or desert modern room. There are so many different names for this, but really interested in seeing which one that you felt captured the whole vibe of modern desert or modern Southwestern the best. I really, I didn't know if I would like this style, but I actually really do. Like I said, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so I've already asked you to comment your favorite room down below. If you want to know a room that I actually really liked, it's this room right here. I think it's gorgeous with the creams, the blacks, the brown leathers, and then you have all of this greenery in there. I just think this room is just really beautiful, very well thought out. Alright guys, that's our video for today. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to join our Facebook group at AndThenThereWasStyle. Thanks for watching guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye!